how to change the shipping address on the Whatnot order. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to do so let's just get started. So we can start by opening up the Whatnot application, and what you need to understand is you may be only able to update the shipping address if the order has not been fully processed or shipped, and you must be in the US, and if the seller has not created a shipping level yet, you won't be able to do it. So if these conditions meet, what you can do is you can go to the activity option and tap on it. After that, go to the purchases section here, and under order status, you can look out for a section called shipping to, if eligible, and you can choose to say use a saved address, or you can just go and add up a new one. For that, you need to provide in all the necessary details such as your address to, your city, your state, province where it is, and your postal code and your country, etc. Once it is done, you can just go and tap on save or update to update up the changes, and that way you should be able to update the shipping address. If not from the application, you can also use the Wave application directly, Wave or which is whatnot.com, and sign in and follow up the same process, and that should do it. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.